Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Today's topic is the tiger. I am going to describe about the tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It is also a most powerful and gracious animal. It has 2 ears, 2 eyes, and one short tail, and also a sharp teeth. So there are many species of tigers, like Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Indo-Chinese tigers, etc. Tiger is also considered as good swimmer. They can swim up to 6 kilometers and also can jump up to 5 meters of length. Tigers, female tiger is called tigress, and their child is called cub. Mostly tigers live alone and also like to hunt alone at night. Also, tiger is a national animal of India and it has mostly like loyal, we can say loyal animal and also powerful due to its size and gracious nature and also powerful. And tiger is also considered as most gracious, and there are many species and also there are variety of habitats like in forests, savannas, mountains, etc. And also nowadays tigers are a major threat for tigers, humans are poaching and hunting for their furs and for another body parts, and also tigers habitats are getting lost due to deforestation and many agricultural activities by humans. So we should protect their rare species, and we should help government to protect rare species of tiger because it's a pride of our nation and we should protect them. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I am talking about tiger. And the tiger is one of the most popular and powerful wild animals. It is also known as national animals of the world. The tiger is it is on it is also recognized by orange and black. It lives in forest and grassland. It is a big body and it is a strong body like a deer. Mm, many uh, Good morning, everyone. I talk about the tiger is a wild animal. It is the national animal of India. The tiger has an orange body with black strap. It is has sharp teeth with claws to help hunting. There are six types of tigers: Siberian tigers, South India tigers, Indo-Chinese tigers, etc. The tiger's baby is called. He lives in forest and he is an adult tiger is weight 300 to 400 kg and length is 2.5 meter to 1 day around. And he eats meat, zebra, deer, etc. Tiger are very important for environment to. Good morning, all of you. My name is Angad Kumar. My topic is on the tiger is a big cat and the tiger is a national animal of India. And the tiger has a four legs. You can on the legs on the whole body and the long one tail, and so always same black patterns and vertical lines of black on the tail and one big head, and it has teeth for chasing the prey, and it can be run very fastly during chasing the prey. And tiger walking is known as a catwalk, and tiger groups is known as sticks and abuse, and tiger's baby is also. Yeah, good morning, everyone. I said talk about the tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in forest. It belongs to family of mammals. Tiger is also looking like a big cat. The tiger is considered a majestic animal and high respect. And since tiger it has four legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, and long tail and sharp teeth. Tiger have a Tiger have a very strong and gracious animal. Tiger is India's tiger is a India's national animal. India's
India is world's largest tiger population. Its babies is called cub. Tiger lives in forest. Tiger it is a carnivorous animal. It is primarily playing largest. It is primarily playing largest such as eat deer, buffaloes, and meat, and occasionally smaller animal just like bird, fish. Tiger is very most strongest animal. Tiger is a wild animal. It is very strong and powerful. Tiger is a national animal of India. It has 4 teeth, 2 eyes, 2 ears, one short, a small tail, and sharp teeth. It has orange fur with black stripes. They strips help us. Tiger is omnivorous. Tiger is carnivorous animal. It eats meat and hunt like deer and pigs. They mostly hunt in night. Tiger lives in forest, grassland, and near river. They they are fast runners and good swimmers. Uh, Tiger is they hunt old and weak animals and save trees and plants and stay nature ecosystem balance. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishnu Singh, and I'm going to talk about tiger is a wild animal. An animal. It lives in forest. It belongs to the family of mammals. It looks like a big cat. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, a short tail, sharp teeth. Tigers are carnivorous, primarily preying on ungulates like deer, wild boars, buffaloes, and smaller animals like bird and fishes. Tiger have orange skin with black stripe, and each tiger stripe pattern is unique, much like human fingerprints. And tigers have many species like Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, etc. Tigers lives in den in forest, and its baby is known as cub. Tigers hunt at night, and they are good swimmers, good runners. They can swim up to 6 kilometers, and they can easily jump up to 5 meters. And they are majestic animals, so tiger is our national animal, and tiger symbolize national wealth. Hence, it is depicted as our national animal. And many countries have and various subspecies of tigers are national animal of many Asian countries like Bangladesh, India, Malaysia, etc. And nowadays, poaching of tigers are well known by people because of its foreign skin, and thank you. You can see. Good morning to all of you. Today's topic about tiger. Tiger is wild animal. It lives in forest. It's like a big cat. It has 4 feet, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a small tail and sharp teeth. Uh, Tiger is good swimmer, good runner, and tiger. Tiger is jump 5 meters and swimming 6 kilometers. Uh, tiger is various species just like Bengal tiger, Asian Indo-Chinese tiger, so on. Tiger is important for forest because balancing the forest. Tiger eat meat like deer, buffaloes. Occasionally, tiger eats small fish and some etc. Tiger. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are here to talk about the tiger. Now I am speaking about the tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It is a power of. It is a symbol of power, strength, and courage. Tiger is one of the truly majestic animal. Tiger is also a national animal of India.
with their tigers have orange in color, orange fur with her bodies with black strips to hide them in jungle. To hunt, tigers hunt alone at night, and they hunting wild pigs and many small animals. Tigers are carnivorous, eat meats. Nowadays, tigers are decreasing in their number because people are hunting, deforestation are the reasons, and many things. We have to care about them. Government has already taken action against them, illegal hunting. Tigers, we have to protect them because our generation will see them. We have. Hello everyone, my name is Prince Kumar. I am talking about tiger is a wild animal and the national animal of India. Tiger is the most powerful and strongest animal in the world. It is the largest animal of all its species. It has four legs, two ears, one nose, and two brighter eyes. It has a long tail and claws on his legs. Tiger has 30 teeth, the top two and the bottom two, which are very sharp and pointed, which are sharpened to hunt a animal. Tiger hunts a small and medium-sized animal. They are carnivores. It live up to 16 years. Female tiger are called tigress. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Anand Kumar. Today's topic tiger. Tiger is wild animal. This tiger eats lives birds. The tiger I belong family of mammal. Tiger also look like big cat. Tigers market by sorry legs के बारे में 4 legs 2 not 2 years. 2 years. Tigers is powerful and animals. Sorry. I want to add some points. WWF is a body. According to WWF, only India have only 3,000 tigers in our wild. So we have to respond. We have responsibility to take care of them. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Priyanshu Kumar. I am going to speak about tiger. Tiger is a very unique animal, and it is majestic. Tiger have 4 legs, one long tails, and its appearance is like a black strip that is vertically on tiger body, and it is orange fur of tiger. Tiger population are extinct in India. A lot of government programs are running to bring tiger population in India. Like governments are bringing tiger from African and some other parts of the world. The reason is very simple. In India, when British are ruled in India, in that time British are actively or aggressively poaching tiger for their skin or for their ornaments. Like you can also visit some traditional building. You can see tiger statue. No, these are the purpose to of poaching tiger in previously. Now it is totally prohibited by government and also in other parts of the world. Day to day, tiger population are increasing as governments are running program. We can talk about tiger habitat. Adult tiger can eat 8 kg of meat. It's an average prey. Average prey or is once a week. And a tigress, if a tigress is pregnant, can eat 11 kg of meat. Tiger generally a type of cat species. Tiger is the only cat species that can prey animals much larger than themselves. Means, and sometimes if big animals are not available, they can also prey fish, birds, primate, small animals, and it can swim at one time 6 kilometers from one point to another point. It is a very good swimmer and also a good runner. Tiger and tigress. Male tiger is called tiger and female is called tigress. It has also scientific name is called Panthera tiger. If I am right. Yes. And tiger, as you know, tiger is in our Indian culture. Tiger have very important characteristic also. In if you read in folklore like in Panchandra or in our folklore. Like if you talk about sacred, tiger is also Vahan of goddess Durga Hindu. So this is a very for importance for Indian culture. So tiger is also a distinctive appearance for strength and other things. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Suman. I want to say something about the tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in forest. It looks like it has 4 feet, two brightness eyes, one long tail. Tiger are carnivorous animal. It's a hunter, big animal like camel, deer, and deer. Good morning, friends. My name is Monster for good discussion about the topic of the tiger is our national animal. We all know about that. Tiger is also unity of power. It is a good animal. It runs very fast. It can touch its speed 100 miles per hour within 6 seconds. It is a very good swimmer also. It can swim 6 kilometers per hour also. It can hunt. It can prey. Its prey by on. It can hunt elephant, zebra, hyena, and many more pig. But sometimes it play small animal like bird, rabbit, deer. It is a good animal. It is very calm animal. But when it is very angry, then it harm other animals also. It is a vehicle of Devi Durga. Also, we know that it is a good animal because it is our national animal, and it is also national animal of other countries like Bangladesh, China, Korea, South Korea. It has 4 legs. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears, a big mouth. It has a shape over its body. It has a long tail. It can fast very easily, and it can catch their prey very easily. There are some types of tigers like Siberian tigers, many more. I can forget. And so, due to its species, it's known as their name. Their baby known as cub. Their female tiger known as tiger. It can lay bird. It is a mammal. It means it lay bird and it feed milk to their babies. It lives in den. It is also forest. Live in forest and den. It is also sometimes domesticated in foreign like Saudi Arabia. It is in different color also like white tiger, brown tiger, black tiger in other countries. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today I am talk about the tiger is a wild animal. It lives forest animal but our national animal. Tiger belong to the cat family because it is also like a big cat. But the tiger is one most powerful and fearless animal in the world. Right. The tiger has 4 feet, 2 eyes, 2 ears, sharp teeth, long tail, and dangerous claws. There are several subspecies the tiger, including of the Bengal tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Siberian tiger, and next tiger. Somebody want to add some point? Yes, yes.